Hi, Papa. I'm gonna play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star on my clarinet. When I get time to. Okay. Hannah, quit.
Come on, Hannah, don't come back in here.
Do I have to restart?
Yeah, just start over again. Kaylin, you played it 3 times in your room just fine. No one's laughing.
He's laughing.
You are not allowed to say no. Stop saying no. Play it. Henry said quit stopping.
No, he didn't.
He said no. Finish. Yay! Henry, tell sister yay!